Welcome to the modern modular kitchen of your dreams. This kitchen has all the elements you need for a stylish, efficient, and comfortable cooking experience. The overhead cabinet shutters are made of a 20mm slim aluminum profile with a glass finish, giving the kitchen a handless look and a laminate finish. Let's start with the pantry unit, designed to store all your canned and packaged goods, as well as provide extra space for kitchen appliances. This unit has foldable flap stays for easy access. Wicker baskets in 3 different sizes for those items you need to keep within reach like vegetables and fruits. You have a cutlery tray for organized storage. The internal drawers provide plenty of storage for cooking essentials. While the cooking agent pull-out makes it easy to access your knives, spices, and condiments. The slim drawers provide a great way to store all your kitchen needs. The canister drawer is perfect for storing various grains and baking ingredients. The island breakfast counter is of laminate finish and a relaxed place to dine and easy to clean. The overhead dish drainer makes washing a breeze. The stainless steel finish cutlery tray gives your kitchen a sleek, contemporary look. The midway unit provides start-easy pickup access to your daily use items. This modern modular kitchen is designed for both style and functionality. With all these elements and more, you'll have a kitchen that's as beautiful as it is practical.